Hey J babes, so we are back with another video. Today I'm recreating Rihanna's red eyeliner look and I hope you guys enjoy. So before I start this makeup look, I am going to prime my face with this very hydrating dewy glow fixing spray from Catrice Cosmetics. Totally recommend because it's very affordable. For this makeup look, I am going to use NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. What I am doing is that I am using a foundation brush to basically just tap the layers of the foundation onto my skin, and after that I will be using a blending sponge to blend everything out evenly. I feel like this foundation is very pigmented, so you would not really need much when you're applying. Just a little thin layer would basically do the job for you. Look how evenly the foundation blended. I feel like this is like the perfect one. Very thin layer and full coverage. Now for concealer, we are using Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. I am just putting some in my inner eyes and then out at the corners where the eyeliner would be. This is just to give the full effect and basically some highlights to my face. Now with the concealer, I am just using it to cover my flawed areas, and I will be blending it out with a mini sponge. To contour my face, I am using Fenty Beauty's Trio Sticks. These contouring sticks from Fenty Beauty, it actually is very creamy in texture. It's very easy to blend and it just does the job. This set is super affordable and I feel like it's worth the money that you put into it. The contour that I am using right now, it's a little lighter than how I want it to be, but later when I use my bronzer, it will make up for it. As you guys can see, the contour cream is blending out very easily and evenly, and I'm just so obsessed right now. Here is the final finish of my contour. I just love it so much. Now for bronzer, I am using my favorite of all time, Benefit Cosmetics Hula Bronzer. This is the mini version, but it lasts me forever. For blush, I will be using e.l.f. Cosmetics blush sticks. So these are an orange and a pink shade. I just felt like adding a little orange to my makeup today just because I was feeling it, but it came out so pretty, guys. Look how evenly and pretty it blended out. Let's just take a moment to appreciate this beautiful blush color. So instead of using setting powder, today I will be using Fenty Beauty's Soft Matte Powder Foundation to just set in my face. It did what I wanted to do. It just set everything in place and it just gave a very pretty finish. Before I start my eye makeup, I am going to set everything that I did in with Morphe setting spray, and then we are going to continue. For my brows today, I will be doing them with L'Oreal Paris Brow Powder. With eyebrow product, I am usually very picky. I felt like this brow powder was not dark enough for me. Maybe I should go up a shade, or it's just the product itself. I just like a more defined brow and a bolder look every time I do my eyebrows. So I would give this probably like a 7 out of 10. As you guys know, L'Oreal Paris has so many amazing products. It's just this brow product itself was just not for me, but I feel like it's very beginner friendly. So if you're looking for something to try out because you're new to makeup, this will be it. Onto the eye look, we are using Fenty Beauty's palette today. I am starting off with a more plum shade. I felt like adding that to the eyeliner look would make my eyes look more defined and bold. So just very little. I just wanted more control while applying. So I took very little at a time onto a brush, and I just put it at the outer corners of my eyes, creating like an eyeliner effect. Then I use a more fluffy brush to basically blend out the product evenly. With a more pointy and defined eyeshadow brush, I used a more red shade to put on top of the plum shade that I just did. I just made a more reddish look, just so when the eyeliner is applied on, you will see the more crazy and beautiful effect that this look is supposed to bring out. Trust me when I said I looked everywhere at the most local makeup stores that there is to find Fenty Beauty's red eyeliner, but they're all sold out. I felt like her video went viral, so my backup was NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights Liquid Liner. It did the job, even though it's not the red that I really want. It's still so beautiful when I did it. So if you guys are looking for something basically for a backup until Fenty Beauty really restocks their eyeliner, this is it. The eyeliner look that Rihanna did, it was more like a foxy eye look, but in red. So that's exactly what I did. I just applied the eyeliner very slowly. I made sure everything was defined and bold looking, and I just slowly just basically spread the product out around my lower lash area. After the eyeliner is applied, I just went back with my small pointed brush with the red eyeshadow shade, just so it could give it a more shadowy effect. Now before I applied my falsies, I went in with NYX Cosmetics with the Hive Mascara. This mascara is very volumized. It does the job. It is perfect. The brush is not that thick, and it just evenly blends out everything. I just really hate it when mascara gives me that bulky and cakey look, but this one doesn't, and I just love it so much. To make the eyeliner look very sharp, I basically went around it with concealer, and I cleaned it out, I blended out, and made sure that my eyeliner was noticeable. Obviously that is the key to this look, because you want it to look sharp and defined to the point that from far away everyone will notice that you have a beautiful red eyeliner look. Now we are going to apply little mascara onto the lower lashes with the NYX Cosmetics mascara that I just mentioned. Look how beautiful it is applied. Look how beautiful that looks. For our lip combo today, we are going to use NYX Cosmetics Matte Lip Liner. The shade I will mention in the description below, but it's like a very nude shade. Rihanna did have a very natural looking pink lip color, so that's what I wanted to recreate. So I just went with a very nude lip liner. Then I went in with MAC Cosmetics pink lipstick. I will also mention what shade that is in the description below. But look how creamy that lipstick is. I'm so obsessed. I love MAC. Now with the same Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette that I use for this look, I am going to go in with a gold shimmer to highlight my eyebrow area. Back at it again with Morphe's setting spray to complete the look, and we are done. I hope you guys really enjoyed this because I did. Look how beautiful this is. I'm so in love right now. Thank you guys for watching this video and following me throughout my makeup journey. If you guys haven't done so yet, please follow me on my social media, and also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep updated on my upcoming videos. Love you so much.